Occupying a 39 by 46 feet footprint, this conceptual design departs from conventional residential architecture through its asymmetric sloped roof and a bold living green roof over the carport, establishing a seamless three-dimensional ecosystem. The exterior envelope smartly combines vertical wood louvers with natural stone cladding, acting as both a raw, modern aesthetic statement and an active barrier for solar shading and thermal insulation. Furthermore, the organic water feature winding along the facade completely breaks the rigidity of geometric volumes while functioning as a passive microclimate control system to naturally cool the incoming airflow. The interior color scheme is thoughtfully anchored in an earthy palette, utilizing warm timber tones and neutral textiles to establish a serene, resort-like foundation across all living spaces. To create visual depth and define functional zones without physical partitions, rough gray stone is strategically applied as high-contrast accent walls in both the living room and master bedroom. Furthermore, the design minimizes artificial coloring by borrowing vibrant natural greens through expansive glass doors, while introducing gentle pastel accents, specifically tailored for the children's room to stimulate imagination. In contrast to the organic and rustic nature of the previous design, this residence, measuring 33 by 36 feet, champions an urban tropical aesthetic defined by precise orthogonal geometry and refined material choices, such as large format smooth stone and a striking copper-toned roof trim. Its most distinct architectural advantage is the dynamic, double-skin facade featuring sliding wooden lattice screens, which empowers residents to actively regulate solar heat gain, cross-ventilation, and privacy throughout the day. While the first house embraced a light, high-contrast earthy palette for a relaxed resort feel, this interior utilizes a deeply saturated, monochromatic scheme dominated by rich walnut veneers and smooth gray stone. The strategic interaction between these darker, moody tones and warm, concealed ambient lighting creates a sophisticated atmosphere that radiates executive luxury. Accentuated by subtle copper and bronze metallic details, this highly controlled color palette fosters a profound sense of intimacy and refined urban elegance.